So the next part for this reset is a summer wardrobe refresh, and I just got a couple new pieces from the brand Nordstrom, who is sponsoring this portion of the video. I've been a long-time customer at Nordstrom. I can always depend on them to have whatever it is I'm looking for. Currently, they have so many cute summer styles from a variety of different brands at different price points from high to low, so there's something for everybody. So if you're looking for some new pieces for your summer wardrobe, I would definitely check out Nordstrom, and all of the products that I show throughout this video will be linked in the description box for you guys to shop. And without further ado, let's just get into the first piece. So this is the first piece I have. It's a long-tiered maxi skirt. I can't tell if it's showing up on camera, but it's more like an ivory color instead of a pure white. And I've been seeing this style of skirt a ton all over Pinterest. I feel like very trendy at the moment. So if that's something you're looking for, definitely think this is a good option. One thing to note is it is a little bit long on me, and I'm 5'2" for reference. So I can fold the waistband or just make it sit a little bit higher waisted than it's supposed to be for the length to be good. But I feel like if you're a little bit taller than me, then you would have no issues. But I just wanted to point that out. And for size reference, I did get a size extra small. It does have a built-in slip, so it's not see-through, and the material is super lightweight, so it's a perfect summer piece. Paired it with a baby tee, some sneakers, a crossbody bag, and some sunglasses, and I feel like that's a very comfortable and casual outfit, but it's also a really good modest outfit option. This is the next item I have. It's this baby doll top. I feel like this cut is actually really flattering. I don't own a lot of tops in this style, so I wasn't sure until I tried it on, but I do feel like it is a really flattering style. It's a stretchy material, and the quality of this top feels really nice. It would be super cute with a black low-rise skirt, maybe some Mary Janes. I feel like the top is really cute and girly, so I'd probably add like a hairstyle with some bows. So this next top is a little bit similar with the neckline. The other one was like that baby doll style at the bottom. This is a little bit more fitted at the waist, but not super tight either, so it's very comfortable. The material feels really soft, and this is a size extra small for reference. And you probably can't see through the camera when I hold it up, but you'll see in the try on clip, it has some really nice details with the trim at the top, as well as a little flower detail at the neckline. I think it's a super cute top that's also really comfortable, and I just paired this with some low-rise cargos, and the green cargos that I'm wearing with this are also from Nordstrom. If it's still available, I'll link them in the description box. So this is the next piece I have. It's from Free People, but from Nordstrom. Kind of has like a metallic detail throughout the top. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. I would say this is like a very lightweight top. The v-neck does go super deep, so you probably have to wear some sort of bralette underneath it, but I think having like a black lace bralette and having the lace peek out is cute. And I just paired them with some trousers and some sandals. So this next piece I feel like is the perfect summer dress. It's super loose and flowy, and the material is very lightweight. I've been seeing this style a lot lately too on Pinterest. I got this in a size extra small. I would say it's pretty stretchy, as you can see, so if you're in between sizes, you can probably size down, and it does have adjustable straps, and I really like the length. It is a bit on the shorter side, which is what I prefer, but just keep that in mind if you're on the taller side. So those are all the pieces that I have from Nordstrom, and don't forget, all of these products will be linked in the description box for you guys to shop. And thank you again to Nordstrom for sponsoring this portion of the video. This one's pretty, but I don't know if it's too sheer. It's $25, way cheaper than the other one.
You can try it. what you do. Crazy for you. Just thinking of you. That's what you do. That's what you do. 80 sets are pretty, but pretty is prettier with you. Now I know there's someone I wanna be. Someone do you